Hello guys, welcome back. So in previous class we have seen how to convert the given boolean function in terms of only NAND gate representation. In this today's class we will see how to convert the given logic expression in terms of only NOR gate representation. It means that final output should be in terms of only NOR gate representation, right? So what is the logic expression that is given? Y equal to AB plus CD. Before going to that, right, so we need to understand one basic things, right? So NOR gate is combination of what? NOR gate is combination of the OR gate plus NOT gate. It means that whenever your design procedure, if you find the OR gate, you can directly replace with the NOR gate. Again, if you find the NOT gate, directly you can replace with the NOR gate. But if you find the AND gate, you cannot able to replace directly with the NOR gate. The reason is that AND gate is not part of the NOR gate design, right? NOR gate design, right? So these rules you have to remember. It means that whenever you find the OR gate something like this, directly you can replace with the NOR gate. If you find the whenever the NOT gate, you can directly replace with the single input NOR gate operation, right? But if you find the something AND gate, right? So if you are try to convert in terms of the NOR gate, this is not possible. The reason is that AND gate is not part of the NOR gate, right? So what is the first step in designing procedure is that first step is that first we need to design the logic circuit diagram by using only basic logic gate. Basic logic gate means AND gate, OR gate, inverter or NOT gate representation, right? First let me quickly write the logic circuit diagram. So what is the first one? A plus B, C plus D, F, right? So A plus B means OR gate, again C plus D means, right, A plus B, C plus D, again one more is the F, right? So which logic gate? OR gate, right? So finally it is followed by the product term, means we will be having the AND gate operation, right? So now if you observe here, what is the design procedure as we discussed here? So whenever you find the, right, so whenever you find the which logic gate? OR gate. So directly we can able to replace what? NOR gate, right? So here we have the OR gate, right? We can keep replace in terms of the OR gate, right? OR gate in terms of the NOR gate, right? So just I am going to replace NOR gate, right? So OR gate in terms of the NOR gate. But see that where we have kept the bubble output side, right? Output side means we need to add the extra NOT gate. This bubble is nothing but the NOT gate. In order to get back the original OR gate, we are making the extra NOT gate, right? Otherwise you can simply remember that directly OR gate can be converted in terms of the NOR gate, right? Where we have kept the bubble at the output side, right? Just add the one more NOT gate at the output side. If you are adding the bubble at the input side, you just add the NOT gate at the input side in order to perform the compensation operation, right? So this part is completed. Now we'll come to here. So this is also OR gate part of the NOR gate, right? Yes. Now what we can do? Directly we can convert in terms of the NOR gate, right? So but one extra bubble at the output side means for compensation we need to add the one NOT gate, right? So here F, A, B, C, D, F. Now see that this is the AND gate, right? So now if you observe here, is AND gate part of our design? No, AND gate is never made up of with the NOR gate, right? So if it is not part of our design, we need to keep the bubble at the input side. Remember, if not part of our design, we need to keep the bubble at the input side, right? So if it is part of our design, what we have done earlier, we kept the bubble at the output side, right? So now where we have to keep the bubble at the input side or output side? Input side. Why input side? Because AND gate is not part of the NOR gate, right? That is the reason. So how many inputs AND gate it is? 1, 2, 3 input, right? So 3 input AND gate means how many bubbles you will be getting? 3 bubbles. 3 bubbles means here it is nothing but the in terms of the NOR gate operation, right? So just I am going to add the AND gate. So how many bubbles we are keeping? 3 bubbles, right? At input side or output side? At input side, right? Where we need to add the NOT gate? At the input side. See, if you observe here, I kept the bubble at the output side. So NOT gate also at the output side. Now question is that where we kept the bubble? Input side. Why input side? Because AND gate is not part of the NOR gate design, right? Now bubble at the input side means we need to add the extra NOT gate at the input side, right? So one more NOT gate, again one more NOT gate. Why 3 NOT gates means 1 bubble, 2 bubble, 3 bubble. At input side means it will cancel, cancel. So that again you will be getting the AND gate operation, right? So now we know that one more thing, right? So if you whenever you find the NOT gate, this is a part of our design, right? So directly you can replace with the single input NOR gate, right? Single input means just convert this one into single. So if you get A bar, here also you will be getting the A bar only, right? So no need to add bubble at input side or output side, because both are same operation only, right? Now we will perform the conversion operation, right? So NOR gate, right? Then one more point, right? If you have the even number of logic gates, what will be happen? As we explained in the previous class, even number means it will be cancelled. It means that something like this, right? So here A bar, again A bar whole bar means A, right? So instead of writing this, we will write like this. It means that these two will be cancelled. We will be getting the just connecting wire, something like this. So this also will be cancelled. This will not be cancelled. By why? Because it is the only single logic gate. It means that you have this one, you cannot able to write this one, because here answer will be A bar. Here it is A. You cannot able to write like this, right? So this is same only, right? So again here this is the OR gate, right? NOR gate, right? Just I am writing the NOR gate, single wire. So A, B, C, D, F, right? Now if you observe here this can be, we can replace in terms of the NOR gate, right? With single input NOR gate, right? Done. So now finally we will be having something like this, right? So 1 bubble, 2 bubble, 3 bubble in terms of the AND gate. Now if you observe here, this is also converted in terms of the NOR gate. NOR gate, this is also converted in terms of the NOR gate. But if you observe this one, this is not yet converted in terms of the NOR gates. Now how to convert this one in terms of the NOR gate means, here we need to remember something called as the De Morgan's theorem, right? We need to remember something called as the De Morgan's theorem. What is the De Morgan's theorem means? We have two theorems, right? A plus B whole bar, A into whole bar, right? So if I take A plus B whole bar equal to, how I can able to write? A bar into B bar. So A plus B whole bar means something like this, right? So A bar B bar means A complement by A bar, B bar which logic gate? AND gate. So instead of writing something like this, right, the same thing I can write something like this, right? So it means that here NOT gate, this is also meaning of the NOT gate only, right? So what is the equivalent part 1? This one, right? Now if you observe, whenever you find this one, you can able to replace with this one, right? Because both are the same, right, as per the De Morgan's theorem. So here what is my representation? Here in terms of 3 variable. So somewhere you will be finding in terms of the 3 variable, nothing but A into BC whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, nothing but this representation, right? So if you find something like this, what we can do? We can replace with the NOR gate, right? So this is a 3 input bubbled AND gate can be replaced with the 3 input NOR gate, right? So if you apply De Morgan's theorem, directly we can convert the product term into the sum term value, right? So what is the final circuit diagram look like this, right? So NOR gate, again one more NOR gate. So here we have the single input NOR gate, right? Then finally, according to the De Morgan's law, this logic gates we are going to convert it in terms of the NOR gate only, right? So this is A, B, C, D, F, right? So if you see that final circuit diagram in terms of only NOR gate representation, right? So this is a simple. If you didn't understand this lecture properly, so I request you to go back my previous classes where I have explained clearly what is the procedure to convert NAND gate NOR gate representation. So if you understand that one, this is nothing, right? So thank you very much.